Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style, and today I'm really excited because I just got in 2 boxes of Scentsy, and one of the boxes has my catalogs and my new business stuff in it. So I'm super excited to open this with you. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you, it's a little bit later in the day, so my energy's a little bit lower. I just had dinner, so I'm kind of like, not as energetic as I am at noon when I usually make my videos. But I'm excited to open these, and I want to be able to post it so that you guys have all day to see it tomorrow, right? And it's really hot today. I'm in Los Angeles, and it has been pretty cold, and today it hit like 83 degrees. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to get myself situated. I have a ton of bundles and stuff on my desk, and I don't have a lot of room. But it is really hot, so I look haggard. Let's just call it what it is. I look haggard. It's okay. It's okay. I can't be a 10 every day, right? Sometimes you got to be a solid 2. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open up these boxes. I think this is upside down. Is this upside down? I don't know. Oh, yeah, it might be. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. All right. Let's see what we got. Okay, so where I go to physical therapy, they ordered some wall fan diffusers because I had lent them one. Actually, I gave them one, and they loved it. So they wanted more. So they got 2 of the spins, 2 spins, wall fan diffusers. And let's see. Okay, that's just. And then they asked me to pick their scents for them. And then I also got some pods for myself. So let's go through that. Okay, so I love the scent Starburst Sky. That's what I have going in my hallway right now. So good. So I got a 6-pack of that for myself. So those are mine. I believe I got one for them too. Yes, I did. Okay, so then I got, did I or didn't I? I think I got another one. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I think I got another one for free because I got my stuff on my half-offs. So I think this may have been with my free. I don't know. Okay, so then I got them a 6-pack. And there's a lot of, a mix of people that go there. And I didn't know what scent that they would like. They told me to pick. So I picked Luna. I got a Luna. I got an Amazon Rain. I got Aloe Water and Cucumber. Cozy Cardigan. Let's see, start putting these in this box. This way they can tell me what they liked and what they weren't like a huge fan of. Blue Grotto. Vanilla Bean Buttercream. Because remember, just because I love Blue Grotto, that might not be their jam. They might be like, ooh, that's too fruity or too strong. I don't know. So it's nice to let them try a bunch of different stuff. I got to bag up their order tonight because I have physical therapy tomorrow. All right, so now I got to open up this big box. Let's see. All right, let's do this, you guys. I'm so excited to get my stuff. Ooh, I'm excited. All right, more paper. Ooh, and I got my whiff box, and I'm not going to be showing you what's in my whiff box. I'm going to do another video. All right, so let's go ahead and just take it out though. I got my whiff box. We're gonna open that in just a minute on another video, okay? So I like to separate it. All right, are these my stickers? Okay, hold on, I have some. And then I'll do my scent review on another video as well, because people like to just look for that one thing. And I don't want to make them watch a whole video of stuff that they're not really interested in. So I like to break it down. All right, let's see what I got. Ooh, I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so I ordered 2 things of the catalog mailers. I love these mailers. These are great. So I got 2 of those. I don't even have anywhere else to put stuff anymore. 2 of those. I got my 10 new release bars. Now, I have smelled 6 of them because one of them came in my whiff box from last month. And then the other 5 I got at Scentsy World Tour last month. So I smelled and made samples of 6, but the other 4, I can't wait to check out. So I got those. So we're going to be doing a video on those. And then I also got, let's see, I also got all of the, I got a pack of the stickers, the new release stickers. I got the transition kit. That's what I bought. So it has all this stuff in it. Okay, what else did I get? Oh, we got our transition testers, which I cannot wait to go through. I've been going through some of my old testers, finding the ones that I have that are the same so that I can use them again. And let's see. Then I have 2 packs of catalogs. I go through a lot of catalogs. Okay, so we got 2 packs of catalogs. So excited. Then I got would they send me an extra? I don't get it, Scentsy. What is it? I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to use that. We don't throw business supplies away over here. So I got a 3-pack of the product list, which I love the product lists. So we will be using those. And then, one of my most favorite things, the new product training guide, which I can't wait to go through and check out. So that's what I got, you guys. So I am ready to rock my business for spring summer 2023. So I hope you like this video. I'm going to be doing, like I said, I'm going to be doing first sniffs, and I got to open my whiff box, and we're going to do that on another video. And towards the end of the month, we'll start digging into the new scents and do catalog walkthroughs, because you guys, we still have a beautiful catalog and a lot of discontinuing items to go over. So to get through, and then we will get to this when it's time to get to this. Okay, so I hope you like my video. Let me know what you think, and don't forget, this month, if you join Scentsy this month, you're gonna get the fall winter kit. Well, not the whole kit. You're gonna get the fall winter business supplies with the transition testers and catalogs and all that. But then you're also going to get the full spring summer kit with a full pack of testers and all the goodies. But you're also going to get these 10 bars. The 10 new release bars, you're going to get them in your kit. Hello. Pretty amazing, you guys. So this is a great month to join Scentsy, especially with this new catalog coming. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I cannot wait to start sharing it with you guys. Anyways, like I said, I hope you liked the video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.